The open road beckons. Your UK motorhome adventure starts here. Choosing your first motorhome can feel like a massive task. It is a big decision after all. You are buying more than just a vehicle. You are buying a new way to explore. This guide is here to cut through the noise. We will break down the main types of motorhomes available in the UK. The goal is to give you the confidence to pick the right one for your adventures. It is about matching the machine to the mission, weekend away, or a grand tour of the British Isles. Let's get straight to it. Think of this as your personal tour of the showroom floor. Nimble campervan, luxurious A-class. The lineup, from compact campers to palaces on wheels. First up, we have the campervan. These are typically the smallest of the bunch. Think of a standard panel van Ford Transit VW Transporter that has been cleverly converted. Inside, you will find a compact living space. It will usually have a bed that folds away, a small kitchenette, and some basic storage. Their biggest advantage is their size. They are a doddle to drive, almost like a large car. You can navigate tight country lanes and squeeze into normal parking spaces with ease. This makes them brilliant for spontaneous city breaks and exploring off the beaten track. Next in the lineup are the coach-built motorhomes, often called low-profile models. These are a step up in size and comfort from a campervan. They are built on a chassis cab. Van front with a custom-built living area attached. This extra space allows for more defined living zones. You will often find a permanent fixed bed, a more substantial kitchen, a proper washroom, toilet, shower. They represent a fantastic middle ground, offering more creature comforts without becoming too difficult to handle. Then you have the A-class motorhomes, the undisputed kings of the road. These are the largest and most luxurious models you can buy. They are built on a bare chassis. Entire body and cab by the manufacturer. This creates a seamless, integrated living space with a huge panoramic windscreen. Inside, they feel less like a vehicle and more like a small, well-appointed apartment. They are perfect for long-term touring or for those who refuse to compromise on space and luxury. They offer an unparalleled level of comfort. Finally, we should mention the overcab or Luton-style motorhomes. These are a type of coach-built model with a distinct bulge over the driver's cab. This area typically houses a large double bed. It makes them an incredibly popular choice for families, as it provides an extra sleeping area without taking up valuable floor space in the main living quarters. While they offer great accommodation, that extra height can make them more susceptible to crosswinds and means you will need to be extra cautious about low bridges. Each type has its place on the UK's roads. Living on the road, space, comfort, compromise. The driving experience varies massively between these types. A campervan feels nimble and responsive. Fuel economy is best of the bunch, least intimidating for new drivers. They are ideal for couples. They are ideal for solo adventurers. The trade-off is clear. Living quarters are snug. Are Section 4, the practical bits buying renting UK rules. UK licence, basics by weight, up to 3,500 kilograms. MAM, Category B car licence covers it. Most campervans and many coach builds fit here, 3,500 to 7,500 kilograms. MAM, Category C1 required. If you passed your UK car test before 1st January 1997, you likely have C1 already. Over 7,500 kilograms. MAM, Category C lorry licence. Rare for private motorhomes, but check the plate. Towing. Ensure correct trailer entitlement, B+E or C1E. At age 70, C1 must be renewed with a medical. Category B renews routinely. Before you part with your hard-earned cash, it is wise to consider renting. Hiring a motorhome for a long weekend is the best research you can do. It gives you a real-world feel for what it is like to drive to park and live in one. You can test out a specific layout you like the look of. You might find that the fixed bed you thought was essential is not as important as a larger lounge area. Renting helps you learn from experience without the commitment of a huge purchase. It is a brilliant way to try before you buy. When it comes to buying, you have the choice between new and used. A brand new motorhome is a wonderful thing. Full manufacturer's warranty, the latest technology, that unbeatable new vehicle smell. The downside, of course, is the price and the immediate depreciation. A used motorhome can offer much better value for money, letting your budget stretch to a larger or higher spec model. However, you need to do your homework. Insist on a full service history. Get an independent habitation check to inspect for damp, gas safety and electrical faults. Section 5. Making your choice, the final lap. So, how do you make that final decision? It boils down to a simple process of elimination based on your personal needs. If your top priority is ease of driving, low running costs, and the ability to go anywhere a car can, then a campervan is your clear winner. It is the perfect tool for spontaneous adventures. For those who spend most of their time outdoors, using the van primarily for sleeping and using it for cooking. It is freedom in its most compact and efficient form, ideal for solo travelers and adventurous couples. Looking for a happy medium that balances home comforts with manageable driving dynamics, then a mid-size coach-built motorhome should be at the top of your list. Provides enough space for a small family to travel in comfort, with a fixed bed and a proper washroom. For destination-focused, luxurious stays, the A-Class is the ultimate choice.